those of us in this room, we can't just say, well, I don't want to think about it. You got to make a decision. You got to put your effort somewhere. You can't opt out and say, I don't want to make a decision, because you're not making one. You are making wherever your money is, and you want to do the best, smartest things you can with your money.
Infections that we encountered when we were children: staph infections, scraped knees, infections caused by strep throat, scarlet fever, other respiratory infections, whooping cough, influenza. Influenza is not a bacterial disease, but it was a disease that we were all concerned about. These were our superbugs.
So how do you get from these underlying questions to this politics? Well, if you were trained to do this, just like the sociologists and the political scientists and the English professors and everybody else was doing their academic training, our politics was being changed by the world around us. It was Vietnam War, student left, the women's movement, all kinds of things happening after the early days of the civil rights movement, but it all was influencing us.
That's a 5-year, see, that's not indicative of this class. I mean, this class has been given back time, talent, and money since they were at Monmouth College. It's not just the last 5 years. It's not just this 5-year rolling gift to the college. It's that legacy of love that you all have for this college that inspires us to do what we do and inspires our young graduates who are launching out in the world to solve some very difficult problems to prepare themselves here at Monmouth College. They read your names, they read about your generosity, they see you on campus, and it makes them want to be here, and it wants them want to be like you. So for all that, thank you very much.
Mr. Tucker to come see me Monday morning. Karen Bush Watts.
So today, as we prepare for this ritual of saying goodbye to friends and former classmates whose lives have come to an end, a ritual all too familiar to you all now in this phase of your lives, I imagine you have your own experiences to draw upon, your own hopes, your own beliefs. Clearly, in this life, nothing lasts forever. So today, as we name this human reality, acknowledging that we are all dust, and to dust we shall return, I hope and pray that we might get a sense of that which is eternal.